Chase Equipment is a long-established, innovative manufacturing company with almost 100 years' experience. We're the UK's leading provider and installer of mobile loading ramps and dock equipment. If you're a business anywhere in the UK and want to move goods across different heights, we have precision-engineered equipment to make loading and unloading quick, safe and easy, including industrial doors, our best-selling mobile yard ramps, scissor lifts, dock levelers and modular docks. As well as contributing to a highly efficient working environment, our products will give you considerable benefits such as off-the-shelf and bespoke products to exactly match your needs, world-class customer relationship management, expert service engineers to keep business running smoothly, sector accreditation for complete confidence, out-of-hours technical support to reduce downtime. Call now to find out how we can help.